So you'll tell me a little bit about what Philippe does here while I
Absolutely. So this wine, we started making, the Blueprint Cabernet Sauvignon, we started making in 2001. We made this wine, Gary, because we wanted to make a wine for, let's say, the middle of the market. Even in 2001, the woodpecker is back there.
This store is always functioning. So that's the cheesemonger cutting some cheese, I think.
Oh, that's good. Now my mouth is watering for cheese. So at any rate, even in 2001, as you remember very well, people were asking for less expensive wines, and we very much wanted to bring a younger audience into the Lail Vineyards family, and so we made a wine that we thought would be a great value. The wine has a suggested retail price that I think is reasonable by comparison to the value of the wine. And it evolved into a Cabernet Sauvignon this year. Sorry.
It is, you know, you talk about it as like a new wine or an entree into the market for people, but this wine is lush. I mean, this wine, you know, I'm getting dark berry flavors in the mouth. I mean, the aromas come out at me. And it's got a richness, but it's also got a subtle hint of oak. You know, you get good, round, rich flavors to it. I think it's drinking beautifully now. And 2006 was a vintage that I consider, when we tasted it early out of barrel, a lot of them I thought were almost like 01 or 99, you know.
I agree.
Then I thought they closed up a little bit, but this wine is really beautiful now. I think it's a great example.
It's a very delicious, again, it's a delicious wine. It's a very charming wine, I think.
It's a great way to describe it. Nice, delicious, charming.